Alright, I'm going to run Boop on this mesh. This is a laser scanned mesh that I got online. This is a royalty-free model, but I put the attributions in the description of this video. It's a very cool model. It's also an interesting one because it's laser scanned, and when I show you the wireframe, you can see that it's pretty heavy. It's coming in just under 5 million faces. So this will be a bit of a stress test for the Boop. Right, so slightly updated GUI. I'm constantly working on this. I'm just going to go single target, process selected. Let's see how it goes. So it's got a lot to chew through on this one. Right, I'll probably take it down to something like 15,000 faces or something, see how that goes. And see what kind of quality we get with the transferred surface. So we can see that the pre-processing is just going through. That's where it's actually calculating the decimation of the edges. It's got a special flavor of QEM in the background. So right now it's going to be building the preview mesh. I need to fix a little bug here where the finest preset, actually look at that, it's reducing by 50%. So maybe that's what it thinks finest is. No, finest is 1.3. So still need to fix up those preset applications so that we get it better off the ground. But we're not interested in 73%. We want to go low. So low thinks 3.5K. Around low, so this is cool, but I want to, maybe 20 was too much. I'll just say 10,000. Right. So there we go. So I've still got a lot of triangles there. I could probably push it further, but for now, that's all I want to do. One of the changes I've made recently is how we handle both really heavy meshes, but also meshes like this laser scan data that may actually have some genuinely thin surfaces. Like you can see that this is this metal plate. And I was originally seeing some artifacts when I transferred the data. So we'll see if that actually works. So usually, and I've got generate put up here. I should probably make that into a different color button. Usually with this stuff we do a cage mesh, and I was finding with the cage mesh with the thin surfaces, because we're losing a lot of that curvature information, I was having curved surfaces sort of penetrate inside and stuff, and that was really interfering with the bake. But now I've come up with a new way of associating the faces with each other, and yeah, it's nice. We end up with a much cleaner bake, and the inside and the outside of these surfaces actually respects each other a lot better. So once again, I will show the high and the low next to each other. We can do a bit of a comparison of how they came up. Right. There you go. So here we have them next to each other. You can actually see those thin surfaces sort of fighting with each other there. And then when we turn it off, you see that the surface quality and the surface transfers are actually pretty good, right? So yeah, that's it's another Boop demo. It's all coming along. Thanks for having a look.